Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning service landing page using Gemini AI, powered directly by your LinkedIn profile. If you are a freelancer, consultant, or just building your personal brand, this is a fast and powerful way to stand out. No coding needed. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Scroll down to the resources section and click on Save to PDF. This will download a copy of your profile that Gemini AI can work with. Next, open Gemini AI and make sure that you are using the Flash 2 version for the best results. Upload the downloaded PDF and click on Canvas. Enter the prompt. I'll give it to the comment section. And then hit enter. Once Gemini processes your input, it automatically extracts your key skills, experience, and achievements to generate a clean, compelling landing page. It may take some time. And yep, here we go. You can preview it right away, customize the layout, edit the text, and even tweak the call to action to match your goals. Whether you are promoting a service, looking for clients, or building your personal brand, this is perfect for freelancers, marketers, coaches, or anyone who wants to present themselves professionally without spending hours designing a site. And just like that, you have got a live, professional looking landing page powered by your LinkedIn profile, ready to share with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.